Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back to Fixin' It, and today we're going to put these wheel spacers on a 2013 Mustang GT. Okay, so why do you need wheel spacers? A lot of people buy custom wheels, the wheels don't fit, so they just buy these to increase the offset of the wheel so it actually fits the car. My friend doesn't have that problem. He just wants the car to look a little more aggressive by making the wheels stick out more out of the wheel well. And it's probably going to give it a little bit of handling because there's going to be a wider track, so it'll probably increase the handling. So let's see what these things look like. Okay, so these are 1-inch wheel spacers, and this is what they look like when they come in. Pretty nice. And these are super simple to put on. I'm going to show you how to put them on now. Alright guys, this is super easy to do. Just put them back on. Use the lug nuts I gave you to put it on. And then you're going to tighten these up in sequence like you normally would a tire. So I'm not going to start, boom, 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 boom. Don't use an impact wrench. And these are supposed to be torqued. I don't know. It's hard to tell from the instructions, but I guess between 80 and 100. So. I don't know what I did with my torque wrench, so I'm just gonna do these nice and tight. I'm gonna have my buddy go in here, step on the brakes so this thing doesn't spin, and I can tighten him up on them. Okay? Okay, now we're ready to put the tire back on. This is what it looks like all tightened up. Okay, so this is what it looks like without the spacers. You see the tire is kind of a little tucked in there. That's the way it looks. Then we're going to show you what it looks like after the spacers. Okay, this is what it looks like with the 1-inch spacers on. Not bad. Let's see what it looks like from the front. Let's check out the other side. Makes it look more aggressive. Well, I hope this helped you out. Like and subscribe.